Imagine a summer day in a place where very few people go. It has a very soft sand, and to see it in the distance offers a visual experience that causes desire of walking. When you look at the sea that faces the beach, it's a clear sea that allows the person that easily see what underneath. The sea begins with a light blue color that in parts turns blue-green and that the more deep in becomes an intense blue. When you see it, you get to see the horizon and looking around provides tranquility and peace. The place also has huge palm trees that cover you making shade so you can sit there to observe the beach calmly and take care of the sun but also be able to breathe fresh air. You are finally in a beach vacation with your family. The trip you've always been waiting for, but suddenly everything changed. Curiosity calls you and you decide to go and explore. This is my story. I decided to start my adventure to an unknown place, believing it would be fun. So I took a boat and I went through the sea. I decided to enter fully to observe better the nature around me. The atmosphere on the beach was very quiet, as it's usually. From there, I saw my family resting on the sand. They didn't notice my absence. Suddenly, the sky began to turn gray and the tide rose and rose. I was terrified trying to play back to the shore, but before I could move a little, a huge wave carried me along with it. The last thing I remember was the great impression of the sea taking me far. Then I woke up and realized that I had returned to the coast. So I walked in search of my family. I didn't know exactly where it was. After searching for hours, I surrendered and then assumed that I was lost. What was I going to do now? I was trapped alone into a really extreme climate where you can tolerate being exposed to the sun during a day and cold at night. My biggest challenge was finding food and water. I had to take mostly salt water and rainwater at times, and I fed myself with some plants that I considered edible. But day after day I would walk a little more, with the aim of finding civilization. How long can you survive adrift in the ocean?